Why did you pause it for? What's going on? I don't know. Why are you pausing it?
Okay, so we're just going to roll it and then clip bits out.
Yeah.
Okay. We're figuring this out still. Hi, we're Kerry and Craig, and we are building Penelope the truck.
What am I saying?
So we are on our way to Doncaster at the moment to go and see Penelope. I haven't actually seen her in real life yet. Craig saw her back in November, I think, when we bought her just before Christmas. But neither of us have actually seen her in real life since she's been bright orange. So yeah, we've got to go down there today and do a few checks.
Yeah, I just need to check her over. She had some work done to her, some specific things. Just need to make sure it's all been done and it's all good. And as long as it's all good, we can arrange for transport to get her moved to LGF Commercials in Boulder. And they've got the amazing task of building the habitation box. So yeah, excited.
Yeah, and that bit will take a couple of weeks. She's basically ready to drive off now, but there are obviously a few delays with the DVLA and whatnot at the moment, so we're going to have to go and get her picked up and then dropped off at LGF, where they'll keep her for a few weeks. They'll build the box, and then we get to try and build it out and live in this thing. So yeah, update you again in a little bit. There she is, little Penelope. She's smaller in real life. I mean, she's still massive, obviously, but she does look a bit smaller than I thought she would. Look at all the other ones. I just said to Craig, I think the white ones look a bit like stormtroopers. And then Craig said that he did originally want to buy that thing over there. Look at the size of it. Ridiculous. It is so loud in here, so we can't do much video and filming, but my view for the foreseeable. And check this out, gun turret. Sorry, I stalled up the first go. First gear.
She's driving.
Woo! I'm driving. Woo! How does it make you feel?
Right?
How does it make you feel to see me driving?
Good. Happy?
Yeah, pretty happy. I love it.
Good.
Oh. I love it. I'm really enjoying it.
Good. Thumbs up.
Okay, I'm gonna stop now.
Hello.
Hi. So we've checked her over. She looks really good.
Yeah.
I've even had a little drive in a straight line and I didn't come out of first gear. But yeah, we're pretty happy.
Yep.
This is the cab. Obviously it's really super basic. It's exactly as it was when we bought it. Loads to do. We are keeping the gun turret. And yeah, just loads to do really. So we won't give you a proper look around. Craig will do that when he's actually making it pretty.
Yep.
But I think we're happy.
Yep, it will look different in here when we finish. You won't recognise it. Be really good. Carpeted, soundproofing.
Which it needs. It's very loud in here. There'll be no YouTubing from the cab if that does not change.
Yeah. A few home comforts, bit of a stereo as well, and some other bits and bobs. Loads of electrics to install. But yeah, it'll be good.
Great. Really can't wait to show you all.
Morning.
Morning. So we were going to film this outside, but the weather's taken a bit of a turn.
Yeah, it's a bit grey, overcast, a bit windy.
Yeah, so it's an indoors day today. We've been for a walk, but yeah, it's just a bit cold and grey out there. Busy day today. I've got the website to update. Almost done, but I've got some more illustrations to do. I do all the drawings that you see on the website, and on all of our socials, they're drawn by me. And you are
talented.
What are you doing?
Me, I'm going to be doing some more illustrations for the habitation box. So we've taken a step back and had a look at everything again, and we decided to tweak some of the bits and bobs inside and also outside, windows, etc. Added in an extra fan on the roof and some other bits, but the time we've had at the moment due to the coronavirus, so it's pushed back our build massively. It's actually given us a chance to step back and reevaluate and actually think, oh, you know, we don't need that, we don't need this, we could do with this. And so for us, it's been actually quite good to slow it down a little bit, because it was picking up some very fast momentum.
It was.
So it was good. So that's what I'm doing today.
And then, so you might have seen that we recorded our intro video the other day, and that prompted a couple of questions, which was nice.
So the first one was, I forgot one.
How do we name Penelope?
Oh, how do we name Penelope? Or how did we name Penelope?
This one was, we spent ages like really overthinking a name.
Yeah.
When she was a van, we anagrams of the word orange.
Yeah.
And then I really like human names for pets and vehicles and things. And Penelope has actually got the word elope in it, which we thought was really cool. And Penelope pit stop.
Yep.
So you can't not really. And the second question was, where's your accent from?
My accent. Always my accent. So originally, I was born in Bristol, born and bred in Bristol. Brizzle, good old Brizzle. So, but I haven't really got a strong Bristolian accent, although I'm told I do, but I don't think I do. My father is born and bred central Bristol, so he's got a very strong Bristolian accent. But my mother is from Somerset, so I kind of got a bit of a Bristolian Somerset twang. So it's quite unique, I think. It's very popular up north, I will say.
We love it up here, and occasionally from time to time I'll do a really bad impression of his accent. Yeah. So there you go, that to look forward to. So yeah, really busy day, loads to do, but first, you need a cup of coffee.
Yes, first things first, it's morning, I'm grumpy without coffee, so coffee.
Super productive day today. We got the drawings finished for the new layout and the inside of the truck. The website is just about ready to go. Craig has popped out for a run, and when he gets back we'll have some dinner and watch some more of our favourite YouTubers. And then hopefully next time you see us we will have Penelope transported over to Oldham to start the box build. Yeah, really exciting stuff to come, and we'll see you then. In the meantime, subscribe, follow, like, and all that good stuff. See you soon.